What are the differences between a foam cannon and a foaming sprayer? First off, the number one thing to remember, a foaming sprayer attaches to a typical garden hose. This means that it's going to use a lot more water and have a lot less pressure. A foam cannon is going to attach to a pressure washer. This means that it's going to use much less water and also have more pressure. The pressure difference here is what leads to the difference in production of foam. A foam cannon is going to produce a much richer, thicker layer of foam on your vehicle because there's less water and more pressure to agitate the soap solution and increase the suds. A foaming sprayer has more water and less pressure, so you're going to see a more watery foam and more suds, typical of what you would see in a bucket when you fill up your bucket with high pressure hose water, agitating that soap solution and getting the suds. So what that means to you is a foam cannon, if you have a pressure washer, it's a great tool that's going to give you a longer dwell time and a little more cleaning ability. If you don't have a pressure washer, you're still in luck. The foaming sprayer is still going to drastically increase the effectiveness and fun of your car washes, just not quite to the cleaning ability and dwell time that you'll get from your foam cannon. Both of these tools can be utilized with all of our Boss Foaming System liquids as well as our other car wash soaps. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, have fun in your garage.